Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Finally, the wait is over. We have released the ultimate AI powered trend trading tool. So we have been getting a lot of requests from the customers about how to use and everything. So you'll also get a instruction manual when you purchase this particular indicator. Okay, so this is the video for you can use it as a guide for effectively to trade using the AI trend trader. Okay, so how to use AI trend trader tool and how you can get profitable trades from it. So first of all, let us understand what are the components of this tool. So what all we have kept. Okay, so there are, when you purchase this particular indicator, you'll get three different indicators. Okay, so the first one is Jarvis. The Jarvis is a short trend and it also indicates the power of the particular trend. So the Jarvis trend is this green, crimson green line. So whenever the price is above the Jarvis line, so the it means market is having very good strength and is pumping. Okay, so that's about Jarvis. So Jarvis will also throw you buy and sell alert, but Jarvis will throw you buy sell alerts very less frequently. Okay, so the uh, second indicator is institutional instrument. So what is this institutional instrument is, it detects the anomalies in the buying order or in the selling order. For example, when institutions buy, they don't buy in a for every dip they start buying, they'll start accumulating things. So suppose you are a trader and you don't know what is happening in the market. There are so many, you don't know what the current market scenario, whether the price will go up, who is accumulating, where they are accumulating, so all those things. So this is an indication, a probable indication that look, institutions are buying here. So how we are detecting the buy? We can detect by using the anomalies in the volume change. If there is a very high buy volume compared to the less volume, it also looks at the past candles, how the buy volume has been increasing. Based on that, you will get a buy order, or based on that you will be indicated whether institutions are buying here or not. So you can see here, institution buy detected. So you can see the components in the instruction manual. So guys, this is the mother trend, this is the shark trend, and this is the sniper trend. So all these trends are very powerful lines. Okay, so all this will act as a dynamic support and dynamic resistance whenever the price is above the mother trend. Okay, whenever the price is above the mother trend, market will turn into ultra bullish level. Okay, so there is no need to short it. Okay, once you get the crossover of a mother trend and a shark trend, look at this shark trend crossover mother trend, that means the market is definitely in a bullish momentum. So you should not be a fool and start shorting it. Okay, this is all about longing it. Okay, because you cannot change the market. You don't have that much power or that much money power to completely dump the market. So you should always trade with the trend. Trade with the trend means what? Go with the flow. Okay, where is the market direction? So our indicator will tell you what is the market direction right now. So whenever a price is above this mother trend line, then it means a bullish signal. It's a bullish market, very bullish market. Suppose, okay, you are a sniper and day trader, or you want a scalper. So what scalpers can do is, you whenever price goes above the sharp trend, you can take entry. Look at this, price went above the sharp trend and then it formed a heavy resistance in the mother trend. Let me tell you, look at this is the mother trend. It's very difficult to break this particular trend. Once if the price breaks this trend and moves ahead, that means the market is bullish. Okay, so that's the one thing that you should take care in mind. Okay, so what are these warning signals? Warning signals are something which, okay, there may be a drop coming. Okay, there may be some kind of a selling activity that is happening, but you are not noticing it. So what it will do is, it will drop the price, so it will give you an edge over others, that okay, look, this is something can happen here. You should be careful. So what you should do, whenever you see this kind of a warning signal, you should always put stop loss. Anything can happen after that. Okay, market may go up or market may go down, so it's in indecision mode. So look at this, guys. You will be on you will get an extra edge over others, because they don't know what will happen when, if you don't have all these kind of indicator, you know, they don't know what's going to happen here. They don't know what's going to happen here. Okay, but once you have this kind of indicator, you know what's going to happen. Look at this institution. They did institution by detected here. If you are a good trader or a careful trader, what you should do, you should start longing here by the moment you see here. But look what happened to the price after this. Price rallied. Price rallied. So you should not be, adventurer. You should not start shorting it. You should always longing it. Okay, longing it. Okay, so there are two different arrows. One is this blue arrow means it's a buy, means it's a long. Short arrow means it's a sorry, a red triangle, this means it's a sell or a short. Okay, so many people ask me what's the meaning of that. Okay, so this mother trend will also act as a dynamic support and resistance. Okay, guys, now let us understand how to trend trade long. Okay, now you got this indicator, but how to effectively use. Okay, first of all, go to your chart, any chart. For example, I took bank nifty or anything. For just for example, I took bank nifty. Okay, so go to 30-minute chart and apply, whether you want to apply candles or whether you want to Heiken-Ashi candles. It's up to you. I prefer Heiken-Ashi candles because it smoothens the noise and it will give me the correct trend. Okay, so that's my choice. So if you don't want to apply, if you want to see how the candle is moving, then you can go for a candles. Okay, that's the first step. Second step, apply all three indicators. Okay, apply all the three indicators. Third step, go to Jarvis, put long and short. If you want EMA 130-minute 200 or EMA 215-minute 200 line, because see 30-minute 200 and 15-minute 200 EMA lines are very powerful lines. So it will be helpful for a scalpers or trend traders. So it will also give you the direction and the of the market. Okay, see, if you don't want this, you can uncheck it. If you want 4 hour 200 EMA line, you can keep it. I keep 4 hour 200 MA just because 400 to 4 hour 200 EMA will act as a support. Okay, it will also tell the market direction. It's all about trend trading, right? So it will give the correct direction of the trend. Okay, so if you want, you can uncheck it. Next, AI regression. Always, you will when you purchase this indicator, you will get three indicators along with that three developer version indicator. In that three developer version indicator, you will get you can backtest your strategies. So AI regression value. So if you see 16 and 2 is, this is the default value because I have tested this for many market and it's working fine. So for suppose when you get this indicator, you want to try out different kind of performance, so you can change this value. Okay, you can change this value up to 25. Okay, see, another thing is, if you change the beta value to 1 or less, if you start decreasing the beta value, you will start getting more number of signals. Okay, if you start decreasing the AI regression value, you will also get more number of signals. Okay, so in order to reduce the noise, so what you should do is you should find a correct balance in which AI value, in which beta value this particular indicator works best. So this something you should find it on your own, because different market has different kind of settings. Okay, which settings is applicable to different kind of market scenario, you should know. Okay, so for that you should at least spend 1 hour. When you get this indicator, you will definitely make out what okay, this is the value, it's performing well. Okay, this is the value, it's detecting good buy sell signal. Okay, so that's the first thing. Okay, next you go to institutional instrument, keep as it is. Mother trend, don't change it. Okay, because this will give you the market direction. And alien trend also same thing, 23 and 2, it's tried and tested for the different markets. So you want to set your resolution, you can change into 60, you can change into any number you want. Okay, 40. It's all in minutes. Okay, this is in minutes. So better not to change because this is optimized for this kind of settings. Okay. Okay, done. So how to trend long? Now let us come how to trend long. You should trend long whenever the price is above the mother trend. Whenever the price is above the mother trend, if you get a blue triangle, you should go long. Okay, you should go long here. Always go long whenever you find this particular triangle close by the mother trend. That means you will get a extra edge and it will be an early entry for you. Suppose for example, look at this triangle. This is a buy signal, that means it's a long, and also as per our rules it is near our mother trend or it is near our shark trend. So the moment I see the blue triangle, I will go long. Okay, it is near the shark trend. So the moment I see it is near the shark trend, I will go long. Okay, this is for the scalper. Suppose you don't want to take any kind of a risk and you want to always be sure that okay, this is the long direction. That means whenever the price is below this mother trend line, don't even long it. Okay, always wait for the long signal above the mother trend line. So if you are a intelligent person, just you have to follow the rules. Okay, it is not near the shark trend, it is not near the mother trend. So what you should do, you should wait at least it will cross the mother trend line. Once the mother trend line is broken, you should be intelligent and you should be very much you should start going for the long position. Okay, you go long position here. It is above the mother trend and it is above the shark trend, it is dhamaka. Now you should go for long. Okay, this is for long positions. Okay, it is as simple as this. Price above the mother trend long, price below the mother trend short. See here, price is clearly above the mother trend and the triangle is near to the mother trend and the shark trend, or it can be anywhere. Price can be near to mother trend or it can be in the near to shark trend. So look at here, price is near the shark trend, you should go long. Don't enter here, he should enter here, it should be near the shark trend. Or if the triangle, if you find it near the mother trend, then you should enter. Then also you can enter. Now suppose you the market situation is like this. Now you come and say I will short it. The moment you short here, you what will happen the moment if you are here and you start shorting it and you put your whatever the gurus, the so-called gurus have told you to do, short and puts a risk to reward ratio, and the price is above the mother trend, the price is rallying above. Guys, you should not go against the market direction. You are not Warren Buffett here. You can't change the market direction. You should always go with the flow. You cannot start complaining that okay, I shorted but price again went up. How? It will always go up because the price is above the mother trend. When the price is above the mother trend, you should simply long it. Then you should not be a you are not a Robin Hood here. You can change the market. You can come and change this particular trend. It's a very strong trend. This mother trend, when the price, whenever the price is above the mother trend, that means it's a sure short long trend. You cannot change the you cannot short it. Don't become fooled by shorting it. Okay, whenever you see the price is above the mother trend, you should long it. Okay, don't forget all that whatever your gurus or something and all theories that you have read. The more you read, the more you listen to many people, you'll complicate things. Okay, listen to this video. Price is above the mother trend and shark trend is also shark trend is also made a crossover over the mother trend. Then you come here and say that I have shorted here, why but the price moved up. No, you cannot do like that. Okay, go with the trend. Where's the trend? Where the trend is going, you should always go with that. Okay, you can change any time frame. Okay, number one thing. Okay guys, you should never go against the trend. Rule number one, never ever go against the trend. Okay, so I will make another part of this video. There I will explain how to short. Okay, listen, this is Now the price has crossed over the mother trend. What you should do, you should not short it, you should long it. Okay, this price will go up and come back again, it will find a support here, again it will go up. So okay guys, see you in the next video.